Eto na guys, we made it to Wangyongsan Observatory. Wow. Guys, ang tayog natin ngayon. Nice to meet you, Tristan.
This spot is like
The
it's
best.
awesome, right?
Yeah, the best for you.
It's really like beautiful, and the hike was really worth it.
The most beautiful beach here in Korea. Apparently guys, yung mga buildings na yan, second, third, and fourth tallest buildings in Korea ay nasa complex na yan. Lagas na guys, yung mga cherry blossoms. Fun fact, this is recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's largest department store. So, nandito siya sa Busan. So, i-try nyo rin to guys. Once in your life, kung magkukorea kayo, I believe this is a very immersive and cultural experience. Very unique. Annyeonghaseyo guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave the Kuripo Traveler and it's our first day here in Busan, South Korea. One of my most favorite cities in the world. Napakaganda. And this trip actually is courtesy of Korea Tourism Organization. Pero nauna lang ako for one day. Mamayang gabi pa yung dating nila. So tomorrow until Thursday, Monday, tomorrow, Sunday ngayon, kasama natin sila. But for now, I booked this for myself. Itong accommodation natin sa likod. It's August, Haeundae August. So comment ko yung link sa baba. Alright? Kasi ang ganda ng location niya, it's in the heart of Haeundae. Itong Haeundae naman, this is the most famous, most popular area here in Busan. From our accommodation, walking distance lang, papuntang Haeundae Beach na pupuntahan natin. Yan yung first order of business natin. First order of business, charing. Ang ganda dito guys, kasi malapit lang sa train station. Like exit 5 ng Haeundae Station. Kung tatakbuhin natin, 1 minute, nandun na tayo. So ito siya. August. Mabubook nyo yan sa Agoda. Kung magbubook kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA, capital letters yan, and make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app. Punta lang kayo sa deals page sa baba para maka 10% off kayo. Alam nyo bang pwede rin kayo magbook ng activities and tours sa Agoda? Use my promo code KURIPOTAGODA for 5% off. I-click nyo na lang din yung link sa comment section to redeem. Yung Klook code naman natin na Dave Gino Klook, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung wala na kayong ma-redeem, you can explore Agoda. Tapos ang ganda ng location kasi maraming restaurants, shops. It's 11 a.m. Tapos pansin ko, late din magbukas. Late magbukas, late magsara yung mga stores dito. Ayan, tulad nito. 12 nun yung opening. Adult shop ata to guys. Sorry. Pasensya na po. May bukas na rin naman ata. 9 a.m. Nagbubukas. Yung station na sinasabi ko, super lapit lang. Ito na. As in dyan. Station na yan. Haeundae Station na yan. Pwedeng i-train from the airport hanggang dito. Very pleasant weather. Tingnan nyo naman yung suot ko. Yung iba naka-t-shirt. My gosh. Wala tayong magagawa. Pero may naka-ano naman eh. May naka-coat. So it's a tie. Pero pag gabi, parang malamig kagabi. Hindi lang parang malamig talaga kagabi. This is Haeundae, the major street here in Haeundae. Tapos ito yung Ramada Encore. Diyan tayo lipat mamaya. Kasama natin yung K-Creator friends natin and yung Korea Tourism Organization. May mga restaurants, art box, sikat yan. Nahiya talaga yung suot ko sa mga naka-shorts, tas t-shirt lang. Pasensya na po. I'm super excited for this day kasi the next few days ay super jam-pack tayo. So I believe ngayon lang talaga tayo makapag-relax. Trips with KTO ay always jam-pack but exciting. Kayo guys, kung magpupunta kayo ng South Korea, aside from Seoul, may gusto ba kayong area or city na puntahan? Maganda din yung Jeju, nakapag-Jeonju na tayo. So last week nasa Seoul lang tayo. Tapos nandito na naman tayo. So I suggest kung nakapag-Seoul na kayo, explore other cities as well. So Seoul tayo last week, tapos kahapon flight natin from Manila to Busan. Buti nga di ako na-red flag eh sa immigration. So wala naman akong gagawing illegal. Uso din dito guys yung mga claw machines. Pangalan niya ay Daebak Claw Machine. Di ba yung Daebak Amazing? Ito yung famous na market. May mga ano dito, stalls where you can food trip. Ito, pwede nyo itong lakarin. Hanggang doon. Ang haba pa pala nito guys. Ito, may pa-ice cream. Tapos may sikat dito na hotok. Ang Busan, meron silang special hotok dito. Tinatawag na seed hotok. Ayan. I think around 100 pesos ata yan. Ito. Sidhotok. Pinipilahan siya talaga dito, guys. Pinuntahan ni Lee Seung-gi. Ayan, may photo doon si Lee Seung-gi sa likod. Pinipilahan talaga siya. Natikman natin yung hotok na yan nung nagbusan tayo ng 2024. And truly, masarap siya. Hindi ko lang in-expect na ganyan siya kasikat talaga. Kasi yung pilang haba. As in, lumiliko na yung pila. Nung nandito tayo noon, maamo din nun eh. Wala gabi, wala masyadong pila. Ito yung itsura sa pa-market. Siyempre, may mga seafood tayo dyan na makikita. Mga dried na fish or ayan, mga lamang dagat. Lamang dagat. Ay, dried strawberry. Masarap to, guys. Parang kung magpapasalubong ako, okay lang ganitong pasalubong. Sarap yan. Ay, ayan, eel. Natry na rin natin yan. Kung tama ako, eel yun, no? So, ayan, may mga raw fish, raw seafood. Ang weird ng combination ng mga stalls dito. Ayan, may dessert. Diba? Tapos may ganito na seafood restaurant. Tapos may bilhan ng mga souvenirs. So parang lahat nandito, guys. Bilhan ng damit. K-pop Demon Hunter. Oops. Ayan. Si Rumi, na by the way nanalo sa Oscars. Kahit di ako Korean, parang nakaka-proud. Well, as an Asian as well. Ang nice ng mga ref magnet dito, oh. This is nice. Naka-promo siya. Forget one free. Sa totoo lang, wala akong fix na itinerary in mind ngayon. Pero may mga goals na akong puntahan. Kahit one cherry blossom spa, walang oras. Busan Spa Land. Yan yung pinakamagandang spa. Alam mo, Jim Jilbang na napuntahan ko. Hey, on the beach. Merong ano dito sikat sa gabi na mountain. Puntahan din natin mamaya. Filming location ng Can This Love Be Translated? Parang favorite ko siya ngayon. Episode 6 pa lang ako though, pero it had me. It had me. Gusto ko yung parang travel din ako. Tapos kinikilig din naman ako. Kayo, anong latest sa K-drama na pinanood nyo? So, last week pala, nag-premiere yung K-drama ni Aitos ni Byun Woo-sok. So, in-invite tayo ng Disney Plus to be there. So, nandun tayo sa parang special screening, advanced screening. So, first episode na panood ko na. Last ko talagang tapos When Life Gives You Tangerines sa K-drama. So, I love how chill this day is. Ay, may tindahan ng mga sapatos. Korean street food, guys. Odeng or yung fish cake and more. Corn dog. Mabuta tayo sa dulo. Bilis lang naman pala. Hindi naman siya super haba. Sa dulo, guys, ng Hyundai talaga. Hyundai. May Michelin. Hyundai Market. May Michelin dito. Michelin recognized restaurant. 2026 siya, ha. Kaya pala hindi na ako nakapanood ng K-drama. Super busy at work. So yung buhay ko parang umiikot na lang talaga sa trabaho, may full-time job, and then travel, and then editing, posting, and then if my free time, bond with friends and family for relaxation kasi kailangan natin yun. And I find those catch-ups with friends productive as well. For the mental health, kailangan natin yan. You know, balance of everything, na-compromise ko na yung K-drama. Hyundai Traditional Market. So this is a bustling, a vibrant na market dito sa Hyundai here in Busan. So this was built or this was established as in since 1900s, 1910. Yun yung nabasa ko online. This has a long, history. Charing. Ito naman, guys, this is the Grand Joseon here in Busan. Isa yan sa mga pinakakabog na hotel dito sa Busan. So, nagstay na tayo dyan, 2024. Yung fam trip natin, or familiarization trip, fam trip hindi siya family trip pa, familiarization trip with Korean Tourism Organization ng 2024. Headquarters talaga yung sponsor nun. As in, yung pinakamagagandang hotel, yung pinagstayan natin that time. Isa yung Grand Joseon, tapos yung Inspire Arena, Inspire Hotel, malapit sa airport, sa Incheon. Bongga. As in, may beachfront lang. Ayun, kita natin yung beach. Let's go. Inikot lang talaga natin, guys. Welcome to Hyundai Beach, guys. Hyundai ang basa dyan, kita ba? Hyundai Beach. The most beautiful beach here in Korea. Yan, daming tourists. Ayan, yung mga nagtatayugang buildings dito sa Busan. So, ayan yung The Sharp Tower, Hyundai LCT The Sharp Tower, if I'm not mistaken sa pangalan. So, ito, yan yung tallest building in Busan and the second tallest building in Korea. So, nasa nasa Busan. So, dyan din makikita yung observatory, yung Busan X the Sky Observatory sa 100th floor na may panoramic views ng Busan. Magbubusan kayo at gusto yung mapuntahan, yung mga tourist spots talaga, pwede kayong mag-book ng Visit Busan Pass. For a certain amount, pwede kayo makapunta sa iba't ibang attraction na. Like, for free yung entrance. Kung may card kayo. Siyempre, biba yung card, pero yung entrance free na yon. Pero binabayaran pa rin naman through the card. Pero gets ba? Mas makakatipid kayo pag ganun. Ang relaxing lang, it's 12 noon. So nakakit na rin tayo dyan. Nandyan din yung tallest Starbucks. Di tallest, sorry. Highest. Starbucks na nasa highest floor. 99th floor. Nandyan yan. May panoramic view din ng Busan. ASMR ng Alon. Dinig ba? So, ayan, bonding place siya. Ang hilig ko sa so, ayan, no? Bonding place siya ng magpapamilya. Maraming bata. May nakita din akong magjojowa. Magkakaibigan. Pero parang puro magjojowa tapos magpapamilya. Tapos solo traveler like me. Lakas makaano dito. Main character moment. Kasi yung nakaupo ka lang. Tapos cue. Cue something na OST. Ano yung OST na bagay dito? Ganon. Ano yon? Nahulaan nyo ba yon? Kung anong OST? Full House. Kanina may kamukha ni Rin. Akala ko nga si Rin yung naglalakad. So hindi pala. Kamukha niya talaga. Medyo pogi. Sobrang therapy na umupo lang talaga dito, as in. People watch. Wave watching. Alam nyo bang nag-ano na tayo? Surfing na tayo for the first time dito sa Busan, as in. And again, it was in 2024. Ito lang yung vibe at 12 noon. Kaya bet na bet ko talaga yung Busan. Ano siya eh, may pagka-laid back. Hindi siya as fast as Seoul. Pero you know, it has this city vibe, and at the same time, the good mixture of the city, the coastal area, the coastal areas, the beaches, tulad nitong Hyundai. Mountain, mamaya may gusto akong puntahan na mountain. Kada ng Busan, one of my most favorite cities talaga. Apparently guys, yung mga buildings na yan yung second, third, alam ko yung second tallest building in Korea. Di ko sure kung nasa yung third tallest building in Korea dyan. Pero second, third, and fourth tallest buildings in Korea ay nasa complex na yan na tinatawag na LCT The Sharp Complex. Okay? 1 PM na pala guys at kanina pa tayo nakatambay dito. Mas maraming tao this afternoon versus kanina. Kasi nandito tayo, di ba, mga 12. So, mga naglo-lunch siguro yung mga tao. It's such a vibe. So, edit lang din ako dito. Upload. Saya tumambay here. Perfect moment for an organic encounter. Tsering. Gusto ko maghanap ng cherry blossom spots. Cherry blossom. Kahit isa lang na cherry blossom spot. Meron lang din dito sa may Hyundai. Isa sa mga pinakasikat na spots for cherry blossoms dito sa Busan. Let's go! Nanonood ba kayo ng Singles Inferno, guys? May season na yung hotel or yung paradise na pinagpupuntahan nila ay yung Paradise Hotel. Tapos may ganun dito sa Busan. Ayan. Casino. Alam nyo ba, last week, may round table. Na-invite tayo ng Korea Tourism Organization to join the Korean Embassy sa isang round table discussion. Nakaka-honor yon, di ba? So kasama natin sa table na yon yung Consul General ng Korean Embassy, tapos si Director Park ng Korea Tourism Organization, tapos from KCC din na director. So leaders of this powerful organizations in the Philippines related to Korea. Sa discussion na yon, na bring up na bawal pala illegal para sa players ang mag-casino. So, yung mga nagpa-participate sa casino na yan ay mga foreigners. Ito, pwede nating sakyan. So, papunta sa Dalmaji Hill. Dalmaji Hill. Let's go.
감사합니다.
May T-Money card lang tayo guys, okay? For the transportation. So, tap lang.
입니다. This stop is Mika, Mountain Road entrance. 무리한 탑승은
Alright. Lalakarin na lang natin guys. Let's go. Gamit natin guys, actually mix ng Naver Maps tapos Google Maps. Kasi yung Naver Maps minsan nakakalito din. Pero yung gamit na gamit talaga dito ng locals ay Naver Maps. Kung ako, may first option akong gagamitin, Naver Maps talaga. Mas comprehensive siya na maps versus Google Maps dito sa Korea. Lagas na guys, yung mga cherry blossoms. Look, dito sa may binabaan natin. So, di ko sure kung may makikita pa talaga tayo sa pupuntahan natin ngayon. But let's just try. Actually, masay din naman maglakad-lakad. So, mahabang lakaran to. So, parang pa-hill siya. Ito, nagsilaglagan na. May mga petals ng cherry blossoms. Kensya na kasi mas nauna talaga mag full bloom yung Busan versus Seoul. Pero okay lang. Ito yung masaya, adventure. Kung wala man tayong makita, it's fine. Kasi itong paglalakad natin, it's really part of the adventure. Pero ang ganda ng road na to, oh. Very spring. May pink. So sa May, marami naman ng roses dito sa Korea. Pero wala lang cherry blossoms. Mabilis lang cherry blossoms eh. Mga 2 weeks max na daw yun. Dalmaji Road. Coastline road siya. At least, nakita natin itong pavilion. Oh wow, na may magandang view ng waters. Waters lang kasi di ko sure kung ocean talaga siya or dagat lang. Majestic. Haewoljeong Pavilion. Ayan. Feeling ko mas maganda talaga dito kasi canopy ng cherry blossoms pag full bloom for sure. Pero wala. Di tayo umabot. Ay, okay. Dito sa may gitna-gitna, ayan, may magaganda pang puno. Pero palagas na rin talaga.
다음은 미포 문팅로드 입구입니다.
Now naman guys, after maglakad ng pagkahaba-haba kanina, mag-relax tayo dito sa sa likod ko, yan yung Shinsegae Mall, and inside that nandyan yung Busan Spa Land. Yung Spa Land, that's a Korean spa or Jimjilbang, napapanood natin sa K-drama na sikat. I mean, it's really part of the culture. Tapos itong Spa Land, sikat ito sa buong Korea. It's one of the best Korean spas. So tara, fun fact, this is recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's largest department store. So, nandito siya sa Busan. Inabot na tayo ng gabi dito sa Spa Land. So, kanina, binook natin to sa Agoda. So, pinesend ko lang yung QR code, yung voucher na receive ko via email doon sa front desk. Tapos, pumunta sa locker, binigay tayo ng number, tapos pumunta sa locker, nilagay sa locker yung shoes, tapos may separate locker for the clothes or mga gamit mo, tapos isusot natin itong t-shirt natin, tapos shorts. Tapos mag-provide din silang towel. Segregated yung male and female sa naked bath area. Yun tayo parang public bathhouse talaga, nahubot-ubad ka talaga. Pero guys, huwag kayo ma-intimidate kasi ako at first intimidated talaga. I can understand, pero wala naman talaga silang packet all, nakaka-empower siya. Marami tayong trinay doon na hot springs na type ng bath, tapos may sauna din doon. And then, aside from that, ang dami pang pwedeng ma-explore dito sa Spa Land. So, nasa 600 plus lang yung book ko dito kasi naka-discount din tayo sa Agoda using my promo code. So, gamitin yung promo code ko, okay? So, tingnan nyo, ngayon nandito tayo sa foot bath. May foot bath naman na area. Ito siya. Diba? Kung maximum 4 hours yung allowed here sa binayad natin. Tapos may iba't ibang floors, may iba't ibang themed na rooms. Pumasok ako sa isang room na pinagpawisan ako, nasa 70 degrees yung temperature. 70 plus degrees yung temperature. Feeling ko nakaka-healthy siya. May restaurants, may kainan din, may cafe. So, marami. Relaxation area, massage. So, once in your life, kung magkukorea kayo, I believe this is a very immersive and cultural experience. Very unique na meron naman sa atin. Pero di ba hindi talaga siya part ng culture talaga natin. Nagkakayaan tayo eh, pag magubad tayo. But this is something that's part of their culture. So, tara guys. Ayan na, yung ano natin, Uber. Nag-Uber tayo guys, okay? Gamit ko palang card guys dito sa mga transaction ay Maribank. Okay, maganda yung conversion niya. Tapos may cashback. Ito yung referral code natin. Alright, just in case gusto yung mag-install or register ng Maribank para maka 150 welcome gift kayo. Ito yung last stop natin guys. Itong Wang Niyong Sun Observatory. Kasi, ay, sobrang ganda daw dyan sa gabi. Nakita ko din sa TikTok. Ito na guys, nakababa na tayo. So, feeling ko ang haggard pag i-hike. So, nasa 400 plus yung Uber natin. So, mag-Uber na lang kayo kung tulad ko kayong wala masyadong time. Ay, ang ganda. Shucks, ang ganda. Wait lang. Okay na. 400 pesos. Tapos, ito, nag-open itong observatory ng, nabasa ko online, 11 to 2 a.m. Tapos, free of charge. Ang dami palang kotse dito. Alas 9 na ha. So, nasaan? Yung observatory. Nasa yung magandang view. Yung sikat na view. I think, akit ata doon. Wang Yong Sun Observatory. So tara, itong store ng Noche Buena natin for today's video. First time natin mapupuntahan. Ay. Ito yung na-hike talaga. Diyos ko Lord, yung mga paa natin. Gaya pa lang tayo sa being refreshed. Sana pala nagpalan tayo ng... Ay hindi, kasi maganda to sa gabi. Ay. Look guys. Yan, ganda. Nandun yung Guangali Bridge. Wow. Beautiful. Mukhang malapit na tayo sa katotohanan guys. Ay, ito. Ang ganda. Wow. Grabe, sulit yung pagod. Wow. Sorry. Yung paghinga ko damang-dama. Ganda. This reminds me of Ensol Tower. Ganito yung atake ng Ensol Tower, overlooking ng Seoul. Ito, wow, it feels like we're really on top of the world. Ito na guys. We made it to Wang Yong Sun Observatory. So kung makikita nyo, kita na natin yung panoramic view ng Busan at night. It feels like we're on the top of the world. Yan yung feeling ko ngayon. Ay! So nakakapagod ito kapag i-hike. So okay lang na nag-Uber tayo. Pero wow! It's peaceful here. It's already 9 p.m. Pero may mga tao pa rin. Grabe. Ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo. Let's go. Wow. Guys, ang tayog natin ngayon. As in, baba pa tayo. I-zoom ko. Yan. Wang Yong Sun Observatory. Ayan, may pa-tower din dyan. Ayan. Meron ding view doon, no? Beautiful. May pa-effect dito yung ilaw, oh. Wow. Wow. Ganda. Tapos patugtog ka dito ng K-drama OST. Ganito itsura guys dito. May mga tao pa rin. Picture. Kita doon yung dagat. Hindi kita dito yung Guangali Bridge. Sa kabila siya guys. Yung nakita natin kanina. I mean Guangan Bridge. Okay, the second longest. bridge in Korea. Sorry, what's your name? My German friend.
Tristan.
Tristan. Nice to meet you. Tristan.
Yes. First time here in South Korea, and this spot is like
The
it's
best.
awesome, right?
Yeah, the best for you.
It's really like beautiful, and the hike was really worth it for
Oh,
sure.
how many hours did you hike?
Like 40 minutes actually.
Oh, 40
I
minutes?
just took the bus, the town bus, to the last station.
Ah, okay.
To I don't know how the village is called here, and then you just walk up all the way up here for like 45 minutes. It's like
Super worth
100%
it.
worth it. Yeah, for sure.
I was asking him what's the best spot so far because you've been to Jeju, Seoul, and
Jeju Island, Seoul,
and Busan here.
and this for sure is the highlight from my
Yeah.
trip right now.
On your last night.
Really, really good. Yeah, I gotta enjoy that. Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, this worth it. I was actually supposed to go back to my hotel, but no, I will come free of
Okay.
charge.
It's free of charge. You can
Yeah.
just go there. The view was pretty sick.
Oh my gosh! So these
So-
are the three buildings.
Yes.
Oh,
and
right,
there's a path like going around this lighthouse,
Oh my gosh!
and it's like a wooden path you will find like
Yeah.
all around the lighthouse. You can just walk there. There was no people at all. So
I was in China in January,
where have you been there?
Beijing and Shanghai.
Shanghai also
It
really
looks like AI.
Really?
Like, yeah, it looks so you'll be surprised. Especially I think Chongqing.
Yeah.
It really looks AI. Seems like the buildings are moving.
Yeah.
The lights are moving. It's very very much
But
alive.
it's full of neon lights, right?
Neon
It's
lights,
like pretty
right.
much full of this stuff.
So we're walking downhill, guys, from the observatory, and I'm still with Tristan from
Yes, I'm still with
Germany.
Dave. And we have a nice view here.
Yeah, very very nice view.
It's really
Here.
worth the walk down actually.
Correct.
Yeah. Because we anyways have no other choice because there's no Uber on top, so we have to walk. But anyways, the view is pretty sick.
The view
Yeah,
is nice.
good to meet some people from other nationalities actually.
Correct. How many days have you been traveling already? How many
Right now
weeks?
already like 10 or 12 days.
Wow, 10,
Um,
10, 12 days.
Yes, so to Seoul, as I said, to Jeju Island, now to Busan, after that to Tokyo,
Yeah.
to Japan, after Japan, China, and then back to Germany.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much it. I'm also vlogging,
Yeah, you're also.
but not right now.
Okay. You're also vlogging our conversation.
Yes, I am. Like, for me, you don't like hear that much from Korea. Actually, it's like
so
under the radar. Yeah.
Korea isn't like a popular destination.
Actually, it is among students. So there are a lot of people going to Seoul actually for having this exchange here, whatever.
Okay.
Semester. In general, Korea is really not known in Germany, at least in my community. Yeah.
Yeah.
Japan is more
But
likely
Japan
to be known.
is
yeah,
okay.
Sure, because everyone knows Japan, sure, and of all the culture and stuff. But Korea is really beautiful. I got us all this chairs here.
You were surprised.
I'm really surprised. The first time I touched down in Seoul, it was like, I was so overwhelmed because the city was so beautiful.
Yeah.
Starting with all the cherry blossoms, the Namsan Park,
Oh,
all
yeah.
the hidden roads among the city. You know, like you only discover them while roaming, not while looking on neighbor maps.
Oh,
or
that's why
whatever.
you love to walk.
Yes, I love
Because
to
you
walk.
get to discover those
I
hidden
did like
gems.
25 kilometers by foot on the first day.
25
So, 25, yeah.
kilometers.
I really loved the walk there, and yeah, I'm pretty surprised about South Korea. Jeju Island, a very beautiful island. Busan, a nice city.
Yeah, did you know that Jeju was once 7 wonders of the world?
Really?
Of nature.
One
yeah,
of the seven
yeah.
wonders.
Yeah, of
Jeju
nature.
Island.
Jeju
Yes.
Island. The whole island.
Crazy.
Okay. And then
I thought you were
continue. No.
Yeah, so that was basically it, my trip. Yeah. And I'm pretty hyped for Japan right now because this was my first impression here of Asia. I've never been to Asia before. So I've never been outside of Europe before, actually,
Oh,
in my life.
welcome to Asia.
Yeah. I was just heading to countries like, like Poland, Austria, Netherlands, France, Portugal, Spain. But this was my first long-time flight, long-term flight, whatever. And
13 hours, right? Or
yeah,
19?
12 and a half hours.
12 and a half hours.
Directly to Seoul, yeah. Pretty exciting for me because never been outside of Europe and first time. But I'm positively surprised, really.
Okay, why
cool.
China?
China because actually I'm just going to Chongqing for 3 days because I saw so much stuff from Chongqing and I love cyberpunk cities a lot because I also love serious about cyberpunk stuff and I just want to see all the lights and all the impressions at night and not a specific reason why China, just Chongqing, I think.
Chongqing.
Yes, it's just because of Chongqing. But
TikTok?
of course,
You discovered on TikTok?
no, actually, Instagram. Yeah.
How do you find Asia in general? Like how is it different from Europe? Like I think
Yeah.
these countries that you visited, these are the richest ones. Well, aside
I
from
think so too.
Singapore
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
others, these are the progressive ones. But
I think,
how do you
yeah.
find it different from Europe?
It's everything is so, like, for example, public transport. It's so well structured here. Even as a German, where we rely on rules and timing and stuff,
Yeah.
this year is like way better than, and everyone's sticking
Really?
to the like manners, you know. But it's different. They really stick to their principles. Actually, that's what I experienced the days here. And I love the buildings here. I love the architecture here. I love the city vibes here. So, in general, really positively surprised. Yeah.
Tristan will be guessing my age.
So that's a very trick question.
Yeah.
He just mentioned a 2 in his age, so like something like 20. He just interrupted himself answering that question. But you said you were working for 8 years at the
Oh my
software
gosh.
company.
Your
I'm
logic.
calculating right now. You said 2019 was your first content creation trip to Korea, or to Korea in general.
He has been considering
You
things.
must be somewhere around. You're 28. Is it true? I'm far away from that.
Alright, another try.
Another try. Okay. You just have to say younger or older. To be fair.
It's tricky because if I say older, it would just be one age.
Yeah. Okay. So, you think I want to
It's
guess
near.
up to?
It's very near. Like you're close, and I think the way you're guessing, it's very logical. It's very smart.
26.
I'm 29.
I'm actually 29. This is the goodbye.
This is a
This is the
goodbye.
goodbye. Really enjoyed the hike here.
Same.
I feel it in my legs a bit right now. So walking upwards and downwards was quite a hike, but it was really cool.
You should rest tonight. You should like sleep for just how many hours?
Yeah, for 5 probably.
Yeah.
I gotta eat something. as
Yes,
well, yeah.
yes. There's a lot of food in Guangali, right?
Yeah, it is. I would probably take something quick from the CV and then convenience store and then go to my Airbnb and just
Sleep.
pack all my things up and then just sleep. That's it. Yeah, so check
Yeah.
the camera. Bam.
I wonder where are we gonna see each other next?
Probably in
Maybe
Europe, maybe.
New York?
Next time. Europe.
Europe.
Yes, probably.
Yeah.
But
Or maybe in the
it was a
Philippines.
pleasure. Or the Philippines.
Yeah, maybe the
We'll meet
Philippines.
again. Have a nice trip, right?
Bye-bye, Tristan.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Ito na ang ating bus. Let's go. Sobrang gutom ko na. Medyo naubos ko na talaga yung isang complimentary na chips. Tapos buti may patinapay silang complimentary dito. Tapos ang sarap nito. And this is the vibe here. Late night dining. Kain guys. Let's go. So this is our room guys. So nag-request ako ng, sabi ko, the best room available for the price that we paid. So ito yon. One double bed and then one single bed. And yung view ay hindi dagat yung view. Hindi super dagat. Pero actually kapag umaga for sure kita natin yung Haeundae Beach pala. Sorry. Ayun doon. Tapos ito yung Haeundae na street. Main street. Okay din yung view natin guys ha. Sobrang saya ng Jimjilbang today. Tambay lang sa Haeundae Beach. And then, story ng Noche Buena, the best way to end, the perfect way to end the day talaga, no other than charing. Walang iba kundi yung observatory. Nakalimutan yung pangalan. Gusto ko yung na-meet ko si Tristan from Germany. So the best way, the secret to making new friends while traveling solo is really your desperation to get a good photo. Nagpa-picture talaga ako kasi wala akong madikitan ng Kasi itong DJI ko, minsan dinidikit ko sa magnet talaga. Tapos dinidikit ko somewhere. Kanina, wala akong mapagdikitan. Tapos ayoko ng selfie kasi it was too beautiful. The view was too beautiful for a selfie. Ganda ng kuha. Tapos, natuwa ako kasi nagpa-picture lang ako. Tapos, yung usapan went to career, life, and then travels, which was nice. And ito rin yung maganda sa pagto-travel. Those interactions like that make the travels more meaningful. Ayun, yung connection with other people. Diba? So, ayun, sana magkatotoo yung sinabi niya na hopefully we get to meet again in Europe or in the Philippines. So guys, don't be afraid to ask for help. So I'm glad I am able to muster up the courage to ask for help for photos. So yun guys, this is David ako dito, traveler here from Busan, South Korea. Let's live our best lives. I-comment ko din yung link ng accommodation natin.